Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that while you were peacefully dreaming about six-pack abs or a guilt-free donut, your body was losing muscle. Not slowly, twice as fast, just because of one simple reason. You didn't eat the right thing for breakfast. Crazy, right? Now, if you're over 50, this isn't just some clickbait scare tactic, it's reality. The older we get, the more our body becomes a bit, let's say, stubborn. It starts breaking down muscle faster, recovering slower, and storing fat like it's prepping for a 1980s famine. But the truth is, most of this isn't just aging. It's poor fueling, especially first thing in the morning. See, breakfast isn't just about stopping your stomach from growling during a Zoom call. It's the first signal to your body. Are we building or breaking down today? If that first meal doesn't have the right foods, your body shifts into catabolic mode. And that's a fancy way of saying it starts eating up your hard-earned muscle for fuel. The worst part? Most people don't even realize this is happening, especially after 50, when hormones are already working against muscle retention. But here's the good news. You can flip that switch. And no, you don't need expensive powders, miracle supplements, or whatever celebrity-endorsed nonsense is trending. What you need is real food, the kind that tells your muscles, hey, we're here to grow, not disappear. Let's dive into the 10 muscle-saving breakfast foods that could quite literally change your body composition after 50. Let's start with something simple but incredibly effective. Cottage cheese. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese? That bland, lumpy stuff? But hear me out. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps a steady flow of amino acids feeding your muscles throughout the morning. It's like drip irrigation for your gains. And the best part? It's low in fat, low in calories, and absolutely loaded with calcium to support both bones and muscle contraction. It might not be sexy, but it works, and that's what counts. Next, let's talk walnuts and almonds. These little guys are small, but don't let their size fool you. They're like the Navy SEALs of breakfast foods. Full of healthy fats like omega-3s and oleic acid, they fuel your brain and protect your heart. And that's not all. They're also rich in magnesium, which your muscles desperately need to function properly and recover. A handful in the morning is enough to keep your muscles smiling and your brain firing on all cylinders. Just don't overdo it. Nuts are calorie-dense, not a free-for-all. Now here's a creamy superhero, avocado. This fruit, yes, fruit, is filled with monounsaturated fats that help stabilize blood sugar and keep hunger at bay. That means no mid-morning snack attacks that leave you face deep in a box of cookies. Plus, the potassium in avocados is higher than in bananas, making them perfect for preventing muscle cramps and optimizing fluid balance. Throw some avocado on toast or into a smoothie, and your muscles will thank you later. But speaking of bananas, they deserve their moment too. Bananas are the ideal quick energy source, packed with natural carbs and potassium. For anyone planning a workout or a long day on their feet, a banana in the morning gives your muscles the fuel they need before they hit the panic button and start breaking themselves down. Bonus, the fiber content keeps your digestive system humming along so you're not feeling sluggish before noon. Let's shift gears and bring in the classic breakfast duo. Whole wheat toast with scrambled eggs. Eggs are a muscle-building powerhouse. They're one of the few complete protein sources containing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Plus, they're packed with vitamin D and choline, two nutrients most people over 50 are deficient in. Add in whole wheat toast, and you've got complex carbs to fuel your body for hours. It's like giving your muscles a well-balanced breakfast buffet and saying, here's everything you need, go grow. And while we're on the subject of creamy goodness, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This isn't the sugar-loaded, fruits at the bottom nonsense. Real Greek yogurt is thick, tangy, and full of casein protein and gut-friendly probiotics. And let's not underestimate those probiotics, because if your gut isn't healthy, you're not absorbing nutrients properly, and that means all your efforts to eat right are going down the drain. Studies show that including Greek yogurt in your diet can increase protein synthesis by almost 9% and improve gut flora by 7%. That's not hype, that's science. Now for the muscle builder that's become a morning ritual for millions, protein shakes, specifically ones with whey protein. But here's the twist. The real magic happens when you combine whey with fruits like bananas or berries. plus a little almond or peanut butter for healthy fats. That mix doesn't just taste like dessert, it creates the perfect insulin response to shuttle all those amino acids into your muscle cells exactly where they're needed most. A properly made protein shake isn't just convenient, it's one of the fastest ways to tell your body it's growth time. Another unsung hero of breakfast? Oatmeal. Especially when you level it up with a scoop of protein powder. Oats give you complex carbs and fiber to keep your blood sugar steady, your energy high, and your digestion on point. When paired with protein, this combo becomes a muscle-building breakfast of champions. Plus, it keeps you full longer, which makes you less likely to snack on garbage before lunch. Feeling like something different? Enter the humble sweet potato. You may not think of sweet potatoes as a breakfast food, but hear me out. They're rich in vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants, and when you reheat them in the morning and pair them with eggs or yogurt, you've got a filling, nutrient-rich meal that supports recovery and growth. They're especially good for people doing strength training, helping reduce inflammation and restoring glycogen stores. Finally, there's quinoa, the powerhouse of plant-based proteins. This little seed, yes, not a grain, contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to mix up their protein sources. It's also packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which are critical for energy metabolism and muscle health. You can prepare it like a porridge, mix it into a breakfast bowl, or even make pancakes with it. Quinoa doesn't just keep you full, it keeps your muscles fed. Now, let's rewind a bit. If you're over 50 and skipping protein at breakfast, or worse, loading up on sugar and refined carbs, you're practically inviting your muscles to disappear. You wake up in a fasted state, your body's already hunting for fuel, and if you don't feed it amino acids, guess what gets broken down first? That's right, muscle tissue. But the great thing is, you can stop this today. You don't need to overthink it. You don't need to count every calorie or stress over macronutrient ratios. You just need to eat smarter in the morning. Cottage cheese, eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal with protein, nuts, avocado, sweet potatoes, quinoa, bananas, protein shakes. Mix and match them, rotate them, enjoy them, but don't skip them. Because building muscle after 50 isn't about lifting heavier or working harder. It's about working smarter, eating right, and staying consistent. And remember, your breakfast isn't just the start of your day, it's the foundation of your strength. The first bite tells your body what kind of day it's going to be. So what's it going to be? Muscle building mode or muscle breaking mode? Choose wisely, my friend. And if you're serious about keeping your gains and making the second half of your life the strongest half, don't miss the next video popping up on your screen right now. It breaks down the best exercises for building muscle after 50, step by step. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay sharp, and may God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.